Hey guys, what's up? Recently I acquired a new 8GB random access memory card. Right now my computer just has two 4GB cards, so today I'll be showing you how to find and replace those cards in a Lenovo Thinkpad T430 laptop. And I'll be upgrading from just 8 total RAM to 12 total RAM. So let's get to it. So we're ready to get started. Here we have my Lenovo T430 laptop, a little Phillips screwdriver, a little pry tool, and our 8GB memory DIMM. Also, we have this red mat and blue wristband, which are wired together. They're part of an ESD kit. ESD stands for electrostatic discharge, so it helps keep like electroshocks, like static shocks, going from your body to what you're working on. And I have it grounded to a little metal piece underneath the table here. It helps keep your machine from getting fried. So to start with, make sure your machine is powered down and shut off. Then you always start by disconnecting the power source. For us, it's the battery. So we're going to slide this little clip, it's not really a clip, we're going to slide that over. And the battery just slides out. We'll leave that up top for now. Next, we're going to take off this panel here to get to the little compartment underneath. And this only has 2 screws. You just got to loosen them up. They don't come out all the way, they just stay with the panel. You can get your fingers under there and pulls off just like that. Now, you're looking at our first memory DIMM card. So this laptop has 2. The other one's on the other side, we'll get there. But since I only have 1 card, I'm going to replace this one here because it's easy to get at. You just move the little silver clips over to the side. The card pops up. You pull it out. Now you got to make sure they're going the same way. If you look at the pins, one group is larger than the other group. So just make sure they're the same way and just slides right back into that same hole. Push it in, push it down, and clips back into place. Now, so the other card is underneath the keyboard. But there's 2 screws here that hold the keyboard down, and you can tell that they're for the keyboard because they have these little icons right next to them. So we're going to take out these 2 screws here. If you're wondering about the blue tape, they're just over my Microsoft product keys, so making sure nobody steals my stuff, right? So those are out. Now we can flip the computer over and open up the top. Now, on this model, the keyboard just kind of slides back. Then we're going to take our pry tool and get all of our little tabs out of their spots. Then you just kind of lift it up and pull it out, but be careful because it's still connected to the laptop for that little thin wire there. So we can just set it to the front. And underneath this black flapper is our second memory card. Same deal, move the silver clips to the side, pops up, and pull it out. Since I don't have a second card, I'm just going to put this one right back in there. Push it in, push it down, and clips back in place. And then you can put the keyboard back in the same way you took it out. Top in, push the bottom down, pull it back towards you, or pull the whole table towards you, that works too. And then we can shut it and flip it over again. And put in our 2 little screws. 1, 2. Tighten them up. They don't have to be extremely tight, like not superhuman strength, just till they stop. That'll be fine. And then we can grab our little bottom panel, put the farthest part in first, get those tabs in. Sometimes it helps wiggle it to get the side tabs in. Screw these back in. We're almost done. All you need now is to put your battery in, and then the computer's ready to fire up and test out all that new RAM. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, or the brand that makes these, Lenovo, Lenovo, I can't even say it. They have manuals for all the products that they have. You can find that on the site. My name is Jesse. Thank you for watching.